Hey guys, my name's Adrian Morris, but most people call me Mozza. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I've travelled and seen a lot of the world with friends and family. Playing guitar in a band, music has taken me to a lot of places around the world that I never thought I would see. And from a whirlwind trip through India to eloping and getting married in Paris, I've done some amazing things, but the fact is, most of it wasn't caught on film. In one way, it was great to live in the moment and really experience my travels. But in another way, I wish I had the passion for videography back then. I reckon I could have made a feature film with some of the amazing things I saw. Over the past few years, as my music has become less and less part of my life, and now that touring has slowed down, I really felt the urge to keep being creative. And videos became more and more interesting to me. And now I want to create new memories and properly document them cinematically. Because although I am the director and owner of a successful construction company, you never know, maybe this passion could turn into a career. Now, I can't wait to see what comes in the next chapter of my life, and that's exciting. I'm Adrian Morris, and this is my story.